What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So today, guys, you see us, we gloved up and ready. That is because we're down to the last few little major components that we wanted to change out on the K20 Type R before we put it back in the coupe chosen. So today's video, guys, excuse me, is going to be a little short but sweet informational video, and that is going to be installing the new water pump on the K20 Type R. Now, let me grab that for us for a second. Let me put this out there, guys. If you're not subscribed and you're new to the channel, welcome. Go on and smash the subscribe button for your boy. It doesn't cost you a thing. Also, activate the bell icon down below to get notifications whenever we drop new content. So, and to all my OGs, welcome back, boys. So today, like I said, we're going to be installing the water pump on the K20 Type R. Now, this is an OEM K20 Type S. That is your part number right there. I repeat, this is from the K20A Type S out of the RSX, but it's the exact same for the K20 Type R. This is a JDM motor, guys. This motor never touched America unless, you know, you was like me and you was blessed enough to be able to order yourself one, but all praise be to God on that. He's the only one who makes this possible. But anyways, guys, I'll go ahead and cut this water pump open here so you guys can see. Also, shout out to K-Series parts. That's where we ordered this from. I've never had any bad experiences with these guys. They've always came through, and parts come really fast. Really fast. So can't complain about K-Series parts, but there you have it. There's the OEM. It's got the gasket already on it, and this thing doesn't get no Honda bond or anything, guys. You just put it on just like so. So we'll get it opened up for you guys so you can see it out of the plastic in the flesh. So check it out, boys. Nice quality. OEM. It's the only way, boys. OEM. It's the only way. So, yeah, boys. Just going to get I want to show you guys what I did with my bolts. So check this out, guys. Okay, guys. So I don't have enough. Let's see if we can get better lighting here. So check it out, boys. These are the OEM water pump bolts that were in this motor. If you guys would have seen these things before I dropped it down in this clear vinegar, white vinegar, I mean, these things were black. You couldn't see any silver on them. And this is a little bit of vinegar down in a cap. It's been sitting for about 2 or 3 hours. And I wish I had a before and after clip, guys, so you guys seen how bad these things were to the way they are now. But like I said, they've been sitting in this stuff here for couple hours, say about 2 or 3 hours. I did it before me and the wife and the little boy. My little boy went to town to get some dinner, and got back home, and that's what we're looking like, guys. So I could probably take a little wire brush and get that little bit of grease off the edge. But as you can see, guys, I mean, these things turned out almost brand new. Let me see if I can get another one out of here. I've got my timing cover bolts in the house right now as we speak, sitting in some of this vinegar. But I mean, check it out, boys. It's just white vinegar. That's not going to buy no bolt restore chemicals or anything like that. Just straight white vinegar. That's how good it gets it. So we're gonna be going back in with those. Just gonna get this whole outside cleaned off here really good, and yeah. Just some brake cleaner. I'm gonna go around this rim, make sure we're good and clean and ready for this water pump, boys. Just making sure he's recording. All right, guys, so we're just gonna take a bolt, see how clean that hardware is, don't you guys? This is OEM hardware. So we're just gonna take this and line up the holes like so. We're just gonna put one there. Put another one there. Man, that hardware looks fresh, boys. Let me tell you. Just vinegar, boys. Just vinegar. No tumbler, no special chemicals, none of that, y'all. All right, guys. You got 4 screws or 4 bolts left. I'm just gonna put them in like so. And I gotta figure out what I did with my old water pump, guys. I hope I didn't toss it out already, which I tend to do that sometimes, but I'm missing a little piece right here. I should have got it off my old water pump, but I didn't. I hope I still have it. But God willing, we didn't toss that out, boys. Two more bolts, and those are the difficult ones, the ones that go in through the pulley there. So we might have to grab a ratchet and an extension and put those in like that. But we're going to try it with just the fingertips. One last bolt, boys. As y'all can see, I gotta put 2 holes, or a finger through each hole. Pause. And that way you're able to snug those down with your finger. Looks beautiful, boys. I mean beautiful. Brand new. Brand new, everything's always better. It's all in the details. So now we torque these down. All right, boys, you see it? Fully installed and torqued down. I didn't want to bore you guys with the torque specs, so there you have it. But that is how you install a K20 water pump. All right, boys. I know it's a short, little sweet video, but that's going to do it for this one. This video was just on how to install a K20 Type R or Type S water pump. Now, I do realize, guys, this motor is out of the car, so it's going to be a lot easier for me to do this than for you guys at home that are doing it in your RSX Type S or whatever, or even if you've got a K-swap and an EK or EG or whatever. It's just going to be a lot easier for me doing it the way I did, but just wanted to get you guys some content out there. And like I said, boys, that's going to do it for this video. If you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button, boys. Also, smash the like while you at it, and stay tuned. We got many more videos dropping. We've got installation on K20 timing cover coming soon, and installation on tensioner and all that good jazz. So make sure you stay tuned, boys. We got plenty more coming very soon. So yeah, boys, like I always say, until the next one, I love you all. God bless you all. And yeah, until the next one, boys, we out of here.